Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest insights, trends, and expert reviews in beauty and self-care. Today, we've got something truly exciting lined up. We're diving into a countdown of the top 5 best hair growth devices for women. Devices that can take your hair care routine to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Finding the right hair growth solution can be overwhelming, right? With so many options out there, it's hard to know where to start. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be breaking down the top devices that promise to help you achieve thicker, fuller, healthier hair. So if you've been looking for ways to boost your hair growth journey, this countdown will give you everything you need to know to make an informed choice. Ready to discover what's at the top of the list? Let's get into the countdown. Ranked at number 5 in our top 5 best hair growth devices for women, the Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80 is a game changer in the world of hair regrowth. What if you could target hair thinning at the root and experience noticeable results in just a few short weeks? With Theodome's advanced laser technology, this is not just a possibility, it's a reality. Unlike other devices that rely on ineffective LEDs, the Theodome helmet uses 100% medical-grade laser technology. That means it's not just surface-level treatment. The 4080 premium laser diodes penetrate deeper into your scalp, providing maximum light energy absorption. The result? A more efficient and effective solution for thicker, healthier-looking hair. It's laser-focused for laser results. No more complex, time-consuming treatments. Theodome's ergonomic helmet design gives you full scalp coverage, including your hairline, temples, and crown. And the best part? You can easily integrate this into your daily routine. Just wear the helmet for a quick 20-minute session and let the lasers do the work while you relax, work, or tackle your to-do list. Made in the USA and designed by a former NASA scientist, the Theodome Laser Hair Growth Helmet is FDA-Cleared, so you can trust that you're using a product that's safe and proven to work. Whether you're pairing it with other hair treatments or using it on its own, this device is built to support and boost your hair wellness journey. If you're ready to stop wondering whether these devices actually work and want to start seeing results, Theodome is a smart investment. It's time to take control of your hair regrowth with a device that truly works. If you love what you've learned here, don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips and tricks, because your hair deserves the best. Coming in at number 4 in our top 5 best hair growth devices for women, the Capillis 272 MD Laser Cap is a powerful, FDA-cleared treatment for hair loss that's making waves in the world of hair regrowth. What if you could address hair thinning, receding hairlines, and pattern baldness in just 30 minutes every other day? It's possible with the Capillis Laser Cap, and it's easier than ever to integrate into your routine. Unlike other treatments that can be complicated or time-consuming, the Capillis Laser Cap is a hands-free solution that you can comfortably wear while relaxing, working, or on the go. Whether you're dealing with alopecia, thinning hair, or male pattern baldness, this cap provides clinical-strength laser therapy designed for both men and women. It's a no-fuss way to stimulate hair growth while you get on with your day. What sets the Capillis 272 MD apart from other devices is its proven effectiveness. Doctors actually recommend it for treating androgenetic alopecia. And with a 7-month growth guarantee, you can rest easy knowing that if you don't see thicker, fuller hair by then, you'll receive a refund. That's a level of confidence that shows just how much this product can do. With consistent use, you'll begin to notice fuller hair, healthier hair, without invasive treatments or expensive salon visits. And if you love what you're hearing, don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights on the best products to help you achieve your hair goals. Because when it comes to your hair, it's time to take action. Ranking in at number 3 in our top 5 best hair growth devices for women, the Hairmax LaserBand 82 is revolutionizing the way we approach hair regrowth. What if you could restore your natural hair cycle, regrow thicker, fuller hair in just 90 seconds a few times a week? With the Hairmax LaserBand 82, it's not just a dream, it's reality. This innovative device uses 82 medical-grade lasers, providing full scalp coverage with each treatment. That's 246 laser points hitting the root of your hair follicles, promoting regrowth with scientifically validated technology. In clinical trials, users saw an average increase of 129 new hairs per square inch after just 6 months. And it's not just about hair count. This device targets thinning hair, restores your hair growth cycle, and boosts density and fullness for a complete transformation. What makes the LaserBand 82 stand out is its fast and easy treatment process. In only 90 seconds, 3 times a week, you can start seeing visible results. With a flexible band design and soft touch teeth, it comfortably rests on your scalp while you go about your day. It's lightweight, portable, and ideal for home use or travel. And if you're worried about effectiveness, rest assured, Hairmax's 93% success rate speaks for itself. They back it with a 6-month money-back guarantee. So if you don't see the results you're hoping for, you're covered. With over 90% success in clinical studies, doctors recommend Hairmax to treat a variety of hair loss types, including hereditary hair loss, male and female pattern baldness, and even menopause-related thinning. Ready to take the next step in your hair regrowth journey? If you're ready for more expert tips, make sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss what's next. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best hair growth devices for women? Well, don't leave your hair hanging. Give that like button some love, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more hair-raising content. Coming in at number 2 on our top 5 best hair growth devices for women, the Capillis Pro Mobile Laser Therapy Cap is transforming the way we tackle hair loss. Imagine stimulating your hair follicles with clinically proven red light therapy, right from the comfort of your home or even on the go. In just 6 minutes a day, this cap delivers 272 medical-grade laser diodes that target hair thinning, receding hairlines, and hereditary baldness. What sets the Capillis Pro apart? It's FDA-cleared and recommended by physicians for its ability to stop hair loss and regrow thicker, fuller hair. Whether you're dealing with hereditary hair loss or overall thinning, this device is designed to stimulate your follicles and restore your natural growth cycle. With its unique LaserFlex inner fitting, made of medical-grade silicone, it ensures maximum comfort while treating your scalp. The beauty of this device lies in its simplicity. Just 6 minutes, once a day, and you're on your way to regrowing healthier, denser hair. And because it's portable, you can easily fit it into your daily routine without interrupting your busy life. It's a hassle-free solution that works in harmony with other Capillus products for even better results. Backed by clinical research, the Capillis Pro delivers on its promises. And with its US-based assembly and customer service, you'll have the support you need every step of the way. Ready to see visible results and feel more confident in your hair? If this sounds like the answer you've been looking for, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more game-changing tips and product reviews. Taking the top spot in our top 5 best hair growth devices for women is the iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System. If you've been struggling with thinning hair, a receding hairline, or even bald spots, this FDA-cleared laser cap offers a clinically proven solution to restore your hair and boost your confidence. Imagine seeing thicker, fuller hair in as little as 3 to 6 months, without the hassle of messy treatments or complicated routines. With iRestore, you get the benefits of low-level laser therapy right at home, all in a comfortable, hands-free design that lets you go about your day while the device works its magic. Forget about constantly holding a laser comb or brush. The iRestore cap gives you full coverage, treating your entire scalp efficiently in just 25 minutes a day. But the results speak for themselves. In a 2017 clinical study, 100% of male and female users saw visible hair growth with an average increase of 43.2% in hair count. That's powerful, effective technology at work. And with a 6-month money-back guarantee, there's absolutely no risk to try it out. If you don't see visible improvement in that time, you can send it back for a refund. iRestore isn't just a one-size-fits-all treatment. You can use it on its own or pair it with other hair loss treatments like biotin supplements or minoxidil for even better results. Physicians agree that low-level laser therapy works synergistically with these treatments to enhance your hair growth journey. Durable, Lightweight and easy to use, the iRestore Essential Laser Cap is a game changer for anyone looking to combat hair loss with clinical strength technology. Ready to restore your hair to its fuller, thicker glory? Subscribe now for more expert reviews and tips, because great hair is always just a click away. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best hair growth devices for women. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.